Well, hey everybody, and welcome to Aix-en Provence. We're in southern France today, and we're doing another market tour. As you've seen, it's not just cycling, but it's traveling with me. And when we're traveling and cycling, we often stop at markets, farmers markets, especially like this. We did one in Saint-Jean-de-Luz just a couple of weeks ago in the other side of southern France, in the Basque Country. You probably have seen my Valencia videos by now. With the main market in Valencia and the Cabanel market, and you saw my Seattle Pike's Place market video from earlier last year. So let's take a look around now and see what they have. They have this market here in Aix-en-Provence every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Lots of fresh fruits, vegetables, some prepared foods, meats, and just overall a lot of really good stuff. There's a paella vendor, and there's Armenian food with some burek and other things that are really interesting looking. So we'll take a walk around and see what there is. Bye for now. So Aix-en-Provence is a city of about 150,000 people. It's about 20 miles or 30 kilometers north of Marseille. It enjoys a really nice Mediterranean climate with about 300 days of sunshine every year. It was also a long time the home of Paul Cezanne, one of the famous French artists, and his studio and home can be seen on the northern outskirts of Aix-en-Provence. So it's also reachable by TGV bullet train from Paris, and definitely worth a visit. It's a really great place to visit as well in the winter when the weather is a little cooler and there are fewer tourists. So hope you're enjoying this. And don't forget to like and subscribe. One final bit of trivia about Aix-en-Provence: the famous actor Bradley Cooper spent 6 months here as an exchange student during his college years. On a food note, as we start to move towards some of these prepared meat dishes that are available for sale here at the market, one thing you need to take note of is that we all know about andouille sausage. It's a very nice smoked sausage available in France, but it's not to be confused with andouillettes. Andouillettes are a thicker sausage, and you'll see them here in the end of this meat clip in a second. And they're a bit thicker, and it's partially the smoked sausage, but it's also partially intestines. So be very careful. You're going to see this on the menu in many restaurants in Aix-en-Provence. And be careful that you don't order the andouillettes that you see right here. You order the andouille sausage. I sure hope you enjoyed this little tour around the farmers market in Aix-en-Provence. Next time you're in southern France, try to make your way here. It's worth the trip. Take care, and we'll see you next time.